there, I'm Sarah Maiga, your go-to real estate expert and associate broker of Maiga Homes with Keller Williams. If you're new here and interested in all things real estate, be sure to hit the subscribe button by clicking that little icon in the bottom right-hand corner of the video. I publish videos on a new real estate topic every week, and you don't want to miss anything. Now today we're going to talk about the 5 things you have to do your own research on when buying a new home. Believe it or not, there are some things regarding the purchase of a house only you can determine. Furthermore, there are certain things that your agent is legally barred from discussing with you due to fair housing laws, some of which you may be surprised by. I hope this list provides you a good starting ground for what you should prepare to do your own research on prior to making a purchase for a new home. Consideration 1. Location, location, location. Though it sounds like a cliche, when investing in what could be the biggest purchase of your life, it is extremely important to do your own research on the location of your home. You can do this via the internet, checking with people you know and trust, and sometimes even talking to neighbors or community members. If possible, I recommend driving through the city, checking out the downtown, community buildings, and neighborhoods of interest. Unfortunately, due to fair housing laws, your realtor cannot talk to you about whether schools are considered good or bad, how diverse an area is, whether there are families nearby, whether a neighborhood is safe, or crime rates. These things are all protected conversations because it is considered steering to discuss these with clients. Now, I can help you with resale potential, mapping out commute times, informing you which school district the home is assigned to, and what amenities are nearby. But ultimately, you will need to determine if the location is right for you or your family. Consideration 2, finances. This one seems straightforward, but is a good reminder that you are ultimately responsible for determining your comfort zone for all of your financial decisions. A realtor can provide insight into your estimated net proceeds based on sales price, what is required for a down payment, your options for financing, basic requirements for getting a loan, options for buying and selling at the same time, and how the loan and down payment amount you choose will affect your ability to compete when bidding on a home. However, we cannot decide how much you can afford monthly, what your debt-to-income ratio qualifies you for, or how much money down you're going to put. You can receive assistance with these items by talking to a lender, and a good realtor generally will have a few reputable lenders who can help you work out the numbers and options so that we can match what's possible with the realities of the real estate market. An easy thing you can do if you're thinking about making a move is check your credit score. Many websites allow you to download your report for free without it affecting your score at least one time a year. And as always, it's a good idea to consider creating a budget to make sure you're staying within your financial goals. Consideration 3, home style. One of the first questions your agent is going to ask you is what type of home you're looking for. So the more detail you have, the easier it will be for your agent to make suggestions and set you up with a buyer portal. When determining the type of home, you need to consider the building type, like residential versus condo, the architecture level, like 1 or 2 story, and an architecture style, like craftsman or contemporary. If you're unsure what home style options exist in your desired market, or you want to talk through some of the pros and cons of each, then that is something your realtor can help you with. For instance, maybe the architecture style you prefer doesn't exist in your price point. The type of home you want to purchase has low inventory, or the style of home you selected is not ideal for resale. These are all things your realtor can discuss with you if you choose an experienced agent. However, the final decision as to which ones you want to purchase will be your decision. Consideration 4, ongoing costs beyond the down payment. Once you purchase a home, the major expenses might be done, but you should research the ongoing costs of home ownership in your area. Many mortgages will incorporate your property taxes into your monthly payment. However, if you're putting more than 20% down, the lender doesn't require you to escrow your taxes and allows you to choose to pay this yourself. If you choose to pay your own property taxes, you should still plan on budgeting a monthly amount to cover your taxes so you're not shocked when you receive a large bill in the mail. If you're in a complex or community, there could be a homeowners association. Homeowners association will either involve a monthly or annual charge. The fee that you get from the homeowners association can also change over time. In addition, the neighborhood or county could also pass a special assessment that could charge a monthly fee to cover repairs such as a road assessment. Furthermore, if you're purchasing a pre-existing home, there is potential for expenses such as a new roof, windows, siding, hot water tank, furnace, or air conditioning, depending on the age of these items when you purchase the home. You need to make sure that you are fully aware of these items and have planned and accounted for them post-closing. In addition, if you want to do any remodeling or aesthetic changes, these are all things you'll need to get quotes for. Lastly, let's not forget homeowners insurance, utilities, cable, Wi-Fi, water, trash, pickup, and yard maintenance. These are all fees you'll be responsible for and want to make sure that you are prepared to cover the expenses. Consideration 5, your realtor. Whether this is my first video for my channel that you've seen or the 100th, I'm sure you can tell by now that I truly believe that choosing the right realtor to represent you is one of the most important decisions you can make. At the end of the day, you will need to evaluate the things that matter the most to you in the home buying process and make sure that you select an agent who offers those services. You can find a realtor in a variety of ways, as most agents advertise all over the place these days. But a good place to start is to get recommendations from family and friends. Oftentimes, your family members have used an agent that they think might be a good fit. Make sure to ask them tough questions or for specific examples so you know that the agent would be a good fit for you. If that isn't your ideal method, then you can also conduct your own research online via various real estate sites, social media profiles, YouTube, through your local chamber, or more. There are a million ways to find an agent these days. The important thing is taking the time to ask the tough questions so you know that they're going to be the best agent for you. In fact, if you would like to know what questions you should ask your realtor when interviewing them, please check out my video, 10 Questions to Ask Your Realtor When Choosing Them. And of course, if you are making a move within Southeast Michigan or to Southeast Michigan, I would love to be your realtor of choice. In fact, if you think you're within a year of making a move, give me a call and set up a consultation today, as I create custom moving plans for all of my clients up to a year in advance. And if you're not moving to my service area and I can't personally assist you, don't worry. I'm part of a global real estate company and can find you a similarly qualified agent anywhere in the world. So don't delay and reach out to me today. In fact, if you haven't had a chance, please check out another one of my videos on why you should get a realtor referral for an agent when relocating. This will teach you all about how realtor-to-realtor referrals work and what you can expect when you ask me for one. Be sure to subscribe to my channel today and tune in to next week's video, which is a step-by-step checklist for completing a move. You can also check out my other series on selling a home, buying and selling simultaneously, buying a home for the first time, new construction, and more. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.